Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Lopez, and for today's task we're gonna explore some mark making techniques in the style of British artist David Hockney. Before you start your work you need four things. You need to prepare your space, get your materials, make a playlist if you want to listen to music, and set up some time. So David Hockney uses a lot of different marks and a lot of different textures that are really representative of his work. Your task this week is to create a project or an art piece that reflects these textures and these mark makings that he uses. Now, if you want to use some color, you can. If you want to use black and white, you can as well. I researched a lot of David Hockney work, and he has tons of black and whites and colored work. So find the ones that you like, find some interesting textures, make a note of them, maybe experiment with them first in a piece of paper, and then put them into your work. You can create anything that you want, find inspiration anywhere. For me it's Pokémon, so just try that, and that's it. Happy doodling, enjoy.